Hello there lovely people and welcome to Shifting Gears. We are now going to start featuring short vlogs discussing small but crucial maintenance tips and much more for a healthy car ownership cycle. Today our point of discussion is idling your car. Imagine this, can you wake up in the morning and start running immediately? No, right? Or can you start any kind of an exercise just after you nap for 6 to 8 hours? I don't think so. So why do you expect the same from your vehicle? Idling a car is important. Although there are arguments online that how it might be unnecessary, I am a believer. And this is what I do once I get inside the car. So every time I step inside the car, the very first thing is I start the engine. But after I've done this, I do not start driving. Then the next thing I do is place my belongings in the predesignated spots, like placing my wallet, wearing my sunglasses, which I'm already wearing one, then parking a smartphone as well so that it's easy to handle it later, and eventually getting into a very comfortable driving position. Once that is done, I buckle myself up. Seatbelts, my friends, are important. Seatbelts save life. Always wear them. The next thing I do is play some good music, either on the radio or I stream some good music which I'm in the mood for from my smartphone. After I've buckled myself up, I turn the AC on so that I'm comfortable inside the cabin even on a hot summer day. Now while doing all this, I've given the engine a good 30 seconds of idling at minimum, or at times if I'm too picky about the music for a day, the engine gets a little more time to warm up. This wakes up the engine well and to be driven off. Next, I look around in my mirrors if it is safe to start off, and finally I slot it in gear and begin driving. But I do not start driving pedal to the metal immediately just because I have given the engine a decent idling time. The initial 1 or 2 kilometers I run it at low speed and at low RPM. Allows me to check the functioning of the car while also allowing the car to stretch a bit. And then finally, we are good to go. Now the same procedure is what is needed when you reach your destination. For reference, you do not sleep immediately after workout, right? A good stretch is always important. Likewise, after you've parked, spend some time in picking up your belongings, ensuring that the parking spot is right, fold your mirrors, turn the AC off, turn the stereo off, and if you've been driving a bit fast and furious, just give an extra 30 seconds to allow the engine to cool down. Now all these points are crucial to cars equipped with turbochargers. A good idling procedure religiously followed is going to ensure a healthy and long life for your engine turbo. I, however, follow this even for my cars equipped with a naturally aspirated motor. If you do not believe us, and if you have especially a turbocharged vehicle, go check out the owner's manual to clear your doubts. Do let us know in the comments below if you are a believer of engine idling. Some might say you might be burning extra fuel by just idling your vehicle for 30 seconds, but by not doing that, you're not going to get your dinosaurs back, are you? This is going to preserve your engine in the long run. Till next time, see you, always drive safe, always wear your seat belts, and always care for your car.